If you are looking to begin your journey in financial modeling, then the FMI Foundations program is the perfect place to start. Financial models have become the most important decision-making tools in modern finance, which means that financial modeling skills have become a requirement if you want to pursue a career in banking, private equity, asset management, equity research, corporate development, venture capital, other areas of finance, and even some areas of accounting. Organizations now include on their job postings that they are looking for people with proven modeling skills. But up until recently, there was no way to prove that you had strong financial modeling skills. Sure, you could take a course, but taking any course is never actually proof that you have really mastered the skills and concepts. The Financial Modeling Institute was therefore launched in 2017 to validate people's financial modeling skills. The FMI is the only organization in the world that offers rigorous, proctored financial modeling exams. Our Level 1 accreditation is called the Advanced Financial Modeler, or AFM. However, the AFM exam is too difficult for most people who are just learning about financial modeling. That's because financial modeling is a discipline that requires both knowledge and skills. And these are both required to pass the AFM exam. We therefore decided to launch the FMI Foundations program to focus on financial modeling knowledge, not yet on the skills. As an FMI Foundations candidate, you will receive access to FMI learning materials that will teach you everything you need to know about financial modeling. You'll have the ability to use our attractive Foundations badge once you pass the exam, and access to our growing global community of financial modelers. Think of the Foundations program as a stepping stone towards eventually attaining the rigorous AFM designation. The FMI Foundations badge is a signal to employers that you are on your way. If you are just getting started, FMI Foundations is perfect for you. We look forward to welcoming you at the FMI as you begin your journey towards becoming an excellent financial modeler.